Exercise 1.4. Our exercise 1.3, that is quite long, that also completed. Hopefully you understand the exercise. Classify the following numbers as rational or same question. 1C. Question number 2. Simplify each of following expression. First one, 3 plus root 2, 2 plus root 2. So we take 3 of first bracket and second whole bracket plus root 3 and second whole bracket, and then we will simplify it. So the answer is 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. Second one, 3 plus root 3, 3 minus root 3. That we will solve like same way. First we take 3 of first bracket and second whole bracket plus root 3 second whole bracket, then we will simplify it. Minus root 3 plus root 3 got, so the answer is 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Third one is also same. That's fourth one. Fourth one we also solve by identity, that a minus b a plus a plus b, that a square minus b square. It's given. We take a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 2. So root 5 square minus root 2 square. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, and also solve that this way. Question number 3. That's not IMP, but you once read. Okay. Question number 4. Represent 9.3 on number line. That's most IMP. Topic is representing on number line. That we want to represent on number line, not locate. So we given is 9.3. So we take a and b is equal to 9.3. Extra 1 centimeter, that b and c. B and c distance is 1 centimeter, as we show. A and b is equal to 9.3. B and c is equal to 1 centimeter. So total 10.3. That then first step is take a line that's given, that 9.3. Second one is take extra, that b and c. Then third point, take a rounder point on A and pencil on half of the line A and C. Take a half, make a arc by both ways. First, a rounder point on A, then rounder point on C. Then we will get a midpoint of line A and C. That is 0. Then fourth point, when we got a midpoint, we have to put rounder point on midpoint and pencil on A. Then we want to make a semicircle that connect A and C. That's our fourth point of semicircle. Okay, you will understand by that way. Then our fifth point is connect B and D, means you put a scale on B vertical and take a line. If that lines end on semicircle at end, mark that point is D. Now we have A, B, C and D, 4. Then our sixth point is take a rounder point on B point and the pencil on D. Then make a join this or make a semicircle. Not we have called this semicircle, but make it. So this is E point. Then we have to write this B and point D is equal to 3.3 centimeter, that you will get to know by scale. And C and E distance between is 2.2, and B and E, so 3.3 also. So BD is equal to BE is equal to root 9.3. So by this way you get to know. You need to practice to understand this topic, representing number line. Question number 5. Most IMP also this. Question number 5. Rationalize the denominator of following. Question number 1. 1 upon root 7. So 1 upon root 7 multiply. We have to multiply, give denominator. So root 7, root 7. Root 7 by 7. So the answer is 1 multiply root 7 is equal to root 7. Root 7 multiply root 7 is equal to 7. Question number 2. 1 by root 7 minus root 6. So 1 by root 7 minus root 6 multiply root 7 plus root 6, root 7 plus root sign that's change. If minus given, we have to turn it to plus, and plus given, that's minus. So the 1 multiply root 7 plus root 6 is root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 minus root 6, root 7 plus root 6, that's 6, because 7 minus 6, that's 1. Root 7 minus 6, that's 1. This is I think wrong. This is I think wrong. Said root 7 minus root 6, that's the answer is 1. Third one, 1 by root 5 plus 7. So the plus given, so we have to sign given, that's minus. This is wrong. Let you practice by your own. By this way our exercise 1.4 also over. One exercise remaining, that is 1.5. That's too easy, but also IMP.